What's going on, guys? We're out here today, and today we are up here and we're going to be doing some squirrel hunting. And this might be a catch and cook, I don't really know yet, but we're going to do some squirrel hunting. I know that for sure. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and head up here to the hunting spot. It's a secret. I can't tell you where it is. It's in the woods. Shh. And we got to get up here. It's getting kind of daylight. It's about, I don't know, 6 in the morning. And yeah, we've got, Remington 870 12 gauge leaned up here on the rocks, posing like a pro. We have the pack. We've got in there, we have 2 bottles of water, a random bag. We have a jacket because, well, I don't know, it's kind of hot out actually. We have a tripod for the camera. We have some shotgun shells. These are like for pigeons or something. That's just a GoPro chesty. Let's go. Alright guys, we are out here and we made it up here to the hunting spot. And I actually hear a squirrel right above me. So I'm not going to try to make any movements and just slowly move my head and get you guys in the film. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure I got him. I saw him fall, so he should be dead. He was like really close, like 10 yards away. And he saw me. And then he started squawking, so I figured I'd just go ahead and shoot him. Nice. Alright guys, well, I'm back where I started at. Well, I didn't go anywhere, but we're here where we are been hunting at, and we got that one the first time, but I haven't seen anything else. But I hear them back in here, way off in these trees, like right back in there. So we're gonna try to sneak back there and see if we can get some. Just gonna sit right here and wait for some, because I just saw one and then it saw me and took off. So we'll sit right here and wait for it to come back out. We got 2. That was crazy, guys. Like, he was over here at first going up that tree. He saw me, but didn't care, I guess. I don't really know. And then he jumped over here, and he was going across here, and then he went up the big tree. He got up there, and I shot him right out the top. It took him like 3 or 4 seconds to fall, so I didn't hit him the greatest. But I did kill him, because he fell out 200 foot. I don't know about that, but he fell pretty far.
Several bad puns later.
This has been about a week now, a week and a day, 2 days, something like that. I don't know, but I know it's not the same day that we killed them squirrels. I've already cooked one, did a video on it, but I didn't finish the video, so it's not on here. And I'm not cooking it the same way I did the other one. I'm actually going to be roasting it over a fire that is not here, but it will be eventually. And yeah, we've got some wood. We're going to pile it up, and then I'm actually going to try to ignite it with a gun. So yeah, we'll go ahead and build the fire up, and we'll get to that. And I think I'm actually going to do some live streaming. You won't see that in the video, but if you want to see me live stream, go over to my Instagram at DK. No. Derek K Outdoors, and check it out. Give me a follow. You know, it's on the. It's all in the description. Just go check it out. It's right. Done. I'm going to go ahead and finish building this fire, and we will be back with you whenever we light it. And you may be thinking, I don't see a gun anywhere. Where's your gun? It's right here, boy. This is a 22 long rifle or 22 Magnum. It could be both, apparently. I have it in 22 Magnum right now is what the cartridges are in it. And, well, if you don't know what a 22 Magnum is, we'll just kind of give you a little rundown. Alright, so 22 Magnums are about this long. And you might not be able to tell on the camera, but this is the size of a 22 long rifle. It's significantly bigger, and it also has a different diameter casing. I'm pretty sure the bullets are actually the exact same diameter. I'm pretty sure now. Well, I've never seen a bullet light a fire. Well, you're wrong. You have. Okay, maybe you haven't, but I have. I think. Luckily, these are armor-piercing incendiary 22 Winchester Magnum rifle rounds. I wish. These are actually just regular 22 Magnum rounds, but they have the Hornady V-tip. Those just make it go faster and keep it from jamming into other bullets when it's in like a lever action magazine and going off and, you know, killing somebody. Look at that skill. I'm gonna stand like back here, and we'll go ahead and fire one into it. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try it again. And again. Okay, at this point I'm just having fun. It ain't gonna work. Woo! I'm gonna go up here and let's prepare the squirrel. Whoa, the camera just went sideways. I mean, it wasn't gasoline. What are you talking about? It was my lucky fire juice. Yeah. Can you guess what doesn't belong in this picture? Correctamundo. It's this salt. Why is this even here? It's empty. Why? Oh, and this guy, he's actually been soaking in, what was that? Salt water for about a day now. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and process him up. I think I'm just gonna quarter him and cook him in like separate little sticks on the fire and do it that way so that it gets evenly cooked and we don't have like a piece of raw squirrel and die or something. I don't know. I think what I'm gonna do is like a dry rub. So I'm going to make that out of all these seasonings. We're gonna go ahead and get it in this little dry rub that we made. And that sucker is ready to roast. RTR, as I like to call it. That I just caught it for the first time just now. I ain't even tried it yet, and I know it's delicious. How do I know? Well, I don't, but I'm gonna act like I do. I call them chickens of the tree.
Do you know what they call bats? Bats. Chicken of the cave.
And by the way, if you want to do this recipe at home, I got some crushed rosemary, onion, garlic, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. I just kind of eyeballed it so you can too. Hopefully it's not good. Just don't put too much salt and you'll be good to go. Battery, I think, is about to dead on this camera. About to dead. Yes, I just did that. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off while this is roasting, and we'll see you back when we get done. Alright, we got the squirrel on this fire now, and I've just been kind of feeding more and more firewood into it, and it's taking a little bit, but that's okay. That means it's going to be nice and tender and not tough like, well, a squirrel. But yeah, we're going to be back with you whenever we get done. See you then. Alright guys, I got the squirrels off. I actually had to put them all on one big thick stick because the small sticks burnt and fell off. But yeah, they kind of fell in the fire, so they got a little bit of ashes on them, but that's okay. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and try to eat some of this without, you know, dying a little bit. Alright. I'm going to try, well, the bone broke, okay. That side looks good, sort of. Oh, smoky. Just the ashes and the dirt don't taste too good. Yeah, next time, probably gonna be doing this in a frying pan. Yeah, it's good. The only thing that's bad about it is the fact that it's covered in dirt and ashes. So I'm gonna quit being a weirdo and showing you guys me eating. I'm gonna finish all these and then we'll sign you guys off. Bruh. Well, anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, let me know by leaving a like, comment, and subscribing. Go ahead down, check out my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitter, my Snapchat. Go ahead and check all that out. Instagram. And yeah, you can go check those out, and the link to all those are down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. The view is greatly appreciated. I'll see you guys later.